When you find a place that leaves you speechless, you begin to listen and appreciate the elements that surround you. As we learn to live within the boundaries of our planet, we find purpose in sustaining and preserving this place we call home. We are learning to treasure our history and to preserve it for future generations. We are learning to engage with nature and to protect what matters most. At the Grandhotel Giessbach, we see ourselves as guests as much as you are and treat our home with the respect it deserves. When you find a place that leaves you speechless, you begin to listen and appreciate the elements that surround you.